Here's the Miele how-to video. To turn it on, use the power button. You just hold it down for a second. And you usually want to have something underneath here because it's going to flush a little bit of water into the cup while it turns on. If it ever says you need to add water, you can add water on the side by lifting up this right here. And you can just use the bottled water on the side and just pour it in up to like the line inside. I'll already have enough beans, but we'll load it up in the top, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. Once it's all turned on and warmed up, you can remove this cup, get a regular mug, and then you can put it under here, and then you can press typically just the coffee symbol, which is the top right. This is espresso, but we usually just do the coffee one. And then you can make 2 at a time with the double cup icon and then pressing the coffee, and that'll fill up a normal size coffee cup. If it ever says you need to empty the drip tray, you can pull this tube out here and just pull this whole thing out. And then you can pour water from the corner of it into the sink. And then this right here is where all the coffee grounds will go in. You can just dump that in the trash can. And then you slide this whole thing back in. And sometimes you'll have to press on the back, but usually it's fine. And then you put this tube back in. And that's it. When you turn it off, you do the same thing as when you turn it on. You put the extra cup under here and then press the off button, and it'll drain a little bit more water through the system into the cup. And if you ever have anything it needs to do on the screen and you aren't sure what to do, just send us a message.